Hi everyone, my name is Everly Singh. I'm from University of Colorado Boulder. I will be presenting the next two challenges in our workshop. This is the second year we're running the Business Future Challenge, and it was great to see all the great participation from teams. So let's start off with giving some background for the challenge. The Vizwiz Future Challenge invited teams to build a teachable object recognizer for a person who is blind or with low vision. And what is a teachable object recognizer? Unlike a generic object recognizer, a teachable object recognizer can be taught or trained to recognize users' personal objects. Teachable object recognizers can learn new objects from only a few samples, or what we call shots here, that users collect. And this challenge is formulated in the following way. First, teams must train their model for the few shot task. And then the user collects new data for their personal objects. And then the model will learn from these few samples. And finally, these personalized models are evaluated on how well they recognize these new objects in the new real world scenes. So to mimic all this, the challenge defines a set of trained users, which are used exclusively for training, and then a set of completely different test users, which are used to evaluate the few shot model. The Orbit dataset, which is a dataset collected by Microsoft in 2021, contains over 3,800 videos of objects recorded by 67 people who are blind or with low vision. And that adds up to around 2.6 million frames in total. And with this dataset introduction, we'd like to proceed to the exciting part, announcing the winners this year. Starting with an overview of the results, we had 9 participation in total, almost doubling the participation from last year, which is great. And the results this year greatly exceed last year's results. So now let's go into announcing the top 3 teams. And the third place this year is Team USTC IAP United from the University of Science and Technology of China. Congratulations. The team achieved an amazing accuracy of 88.29%. Well done, this is a tremendous result. And now let's announce the second place. And the second place this year is Team You Are Right, with an accuracy not too far behind the first place, actually at 92.18%. Congratulations. So unfortunately, you weren't able to contact the team and get their names, but congratulations anyway. And finally, most excitingly, the first place is Team USTC NEP East Fushi from the University of Science and Technology of China and the Fushi AI Lab. Congratulations. This team achieved an amazing accuracy at 95.55%. Well done. And we also congratulate and thank all other teams who participated as well. Well done to all. Now, finally, we'd like to share some results and analysis of the challenge for 2023. We were very excited to run this challenge for the second year as part of the Vizwiz workshop. And as you can see here, we've made a great gains over the original paper's baseline in 2021. So we're really pleased to see all the algorithmic innovation that the teams are helping to drive. But of course, 100% accuracy on the benchmark is not the only thing that matters if we truly want to realize teachable object recognizers for hundreds and thousands of users who are blind. We also need to be thinking about what it would take to actually deploy these models at scale. So to draw out a few directions that stand out, first, we want fast and efficient personalization so that users can teach their models on their mobile phone in a matter of seconds. And secondly, we want fast and efficient inference per frame so that they can not only teach, but also the models can help assist these users in real time. And finally, we want explainable and transparent models to users so that they understand how we estimate models and when they fail. So there are still a lot of algorithmic innovations in the years to come, and we're very excited to see what's coming next. And with that, I will wrap up and thank you all teams who participated. If you'd like to learn more about the challenge, check out these links. We look forward to seeing more teams innovating in the next year's challenge.